This month's class is Saturday, July 23rd. You can find out more information in the link below. We begin noon Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time. And this month's class focuses on end of life, preparing, decluttering, and organizing. All of our classes focus on making your life easier, coming up with real solutions for you to organize for end of life with a plan to take action. Want to save you time, reduce your stress, and get you motivated to do this. We're also sharing tips on clearing physical clutter and keeping what you value most. In this 60-minute class, you'll learn about legal paperwork, healthcare considerations, financial documents, children and pets, sensitive information, planning your ceremony, digital afterlife, organizing your documents, things to consider if you own a business, designing your legacy, clearing physical clutter, and more. A 60-minute Q&A and group for coaching will follow the class. We're ready to embrace life by preparing for death. Find out more information in the link below. Saturday, July 23rd, 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern Standard Time. We hope to see you there.